I am at Tapworks Brewing Company in downtown Gibsons. This is a wonderful spot. Come check it out. Have some beer, have some great food, and enjoy your events with family and friends at Tapworks Brewing Company in downtown Gibsons. So, Doris, what do you say? How do you like this place?
Oh, this place is great, you guys. I would definitely say please try the chocolate mousse. It was amazing. The fish tacos were great too.
So I'm here with Malone at Tapworks in Gibsons. So Malone, what do you say? How's this place?
No, I love this place. I've been going here for quite a few years. It's truly one of a kind. You go everywhere down here on the coast, and this is just, the food's amazing. It's rich. The taste is great. The service is one of a kind. I'd go to Malone's any day, any time of the week. You better be there, because I will too.